We're going to set up Audacity as the default editor for sound files in Stencyl. To do that, we'll start by going to the Audacity website, and the easiest way to do that is just to Google search it. So if I go down and click the downloads for Audacity, I'm working in Windows, so I'm going to download for Windows. Then I'll go and install the installer. I'm going to click on the installer link, and notice that it takes me to another site where the actual file is residing. And I'm going to download that installer, and then I will click this installer and do the installation. And the default values will be the best in this case. So I would just click next, 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 next. All the defaults are going to work out to the best for us. Then I'm also going to need to install the Mp3 Encoder, because when we're working with Flash games in Stencyl, we need to use MP3 files. So I'm going to click here. Notice I need to go to the external download page, and then I'll download the lame Windows installer. Once again, I'll click this and go through the default installation. And then after all of this is done, we'll move on to the next step, which is setting up Audacity as the default editor in Stencyl. Now that we have Audacity installed, we're going to go into Stencyl and we're going to configure Audacity as our default sound editor. And so I'm going to go to the File menu, choose Preferences, and then go to the Editors tab up here, and then we have a section for sound editor. They recommend that we use Audacity, which, hey, we will. So we're going to choose the application. Now you need to have already installed your Audacity program before doing this. So we're going to go to our C drive. We're going to scroll down and we're going to go to the Program Files x86 folder. Audacity is a 32-bit program, so it will be in this version of the Program Files. And we should see a folder for Audacity. There it is. And we'll click on the Audacity executable and say Open. As soon as we see this, we're good to go. We're going to apply those changes. And now, if we open up a game and go take a look at one of our sounds, we should be able to edit that sound using an external editor.